good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. This is Ian Davies in beautiful Australia, and welcome to another wonderful webinar. Now, there are many simple formulas we can apply, and I want to go to Mark Andersen there in the Philippines. And Mark Andersen has got many, many decades in marketing. And Mark, I'd love to get your take on some simple formulas we can apply in handling objections.
Thank you, Ian. Yes, I love breaking things down into simple formulas that can be used again and again, and that can be taught very, very simply to other people. So today I'd just like to share a very simple process for dealing with many objections that arise when we're sharing the products or the opportunity with people. This simple process is, I call it feel, felt, found. And I don't claim ownership to it. It's been around forever, but it is so simple. In its simplest form, it goes like this. I understand how you feel. I felt the same as you. And here is what I found. So let me give you an example. A person comes up to you and and you're talking away and they say, oh, it's too expensive. Your response would be, I understand and respect how you feel. When I was first exposed to these products, I felt exactly the same. I couldn't possibly afford that. But I was curious and I really needed help. So I gave it a try. And here's what I found. After a few weeks and months, I was free of chest discomfort that had plagued me for years. My knees didn't creak and grind and lock up as I went up the stairs. And my mood and attitude improved absolutely out of sight. And the best thing is, I now know how to get my products for free. Now, there's a couple of guidelines to this. Always be truthful and be sincere. The instant you are telling fibs or using this as a tool with no depth of sincerity to it, the other person can feel it and it will instantly destroy your credibility with them. If the next point is, if you don't have your own personal feel, felt, found process, it's quite okay to borrow one. For example, the objection, I'm too sensitive to things. I don't know if I can use this. I would say, I think I understand how you feel. When I introduced these products to my mother, she was super sensitive to nearly everything and had been for 25 years. So understandably, she was very cautious about trying anything new. What she found, though, was that she didn't need to worry as her body tolerated the products really well. And in a few months, she became dramatically less sensitive to her environment and was able to engage more in life and live her life more fully once again. I think the next point, the next guideline that I'd like to share with you is instantly follow up with a trial close, a question to see if the person is ready to buy. So you might say, does that sound like something that would interest you? Or are you ready to get started now? Something like that, that will test to see if your responses to their question, their objection, have been solved. Now, one last point. Here's what's good about this process. It's really simple to learn. It's really simple to apply. And even better, it's really simple to teach. And what in network marketing, what duplicates works. So when I first heard about this process, I was skeptical. I felt it was worth a try though, and found it was very easy to use and highly effective.
Well done.
Wow, fabulous, Mark. I feel that, and I felt and I found that really valuable.
Thank you, Ian.
Thank you.